Okay, let's study speed, children. A body is said to be at rest when it does not change its position, like this book. It is not changing its position, it is just lying over here. So this book is at rest. Okay. And when a body is in motion, and a body is said to be in motion when it changes its position. And if one body changes its position from, for example, a body comes from this side to this side, so it has changed its position, so it is said to be in motion. Now when a body is in motion, the length of path traveled by it in a certain time is called the distance moved by it in the direction. For example, there is a boy Rahul, and he is walking and he reaches this. So he has traveled this much path. So this path is called the distance which he has covered. And while he was covering this distance from A to B, he must have taken some time. So in certain time means in some fixed time. For example, he took 5 minutes to go from A to B. He just took 5 minutes. So he has covered some distance in 5 minutes, some fixed distance in 5 minutes. Okay. So like this we see many things moving around us. But what's the difference while they are moving is that, for example, somebody is walking, Rahul is walking, and somebody is pulling the rickshaw, and somebody is going on motorcycle. After 5 minutes, if you see, the motorcycle will be ahead of rickshaw and rickshaw will be ahead of the boy who is walking. Why? What is this? So if we compare them, what we see is that in the same time they are covering different distances. If we compare them, we will see that the time they are taking same, but the distances they are covering is different. This is faster than this and this is faster than this. So this faster, what the word we are using is speed. The distance covered or traveled in a unit time is the speed. For example, in 5 minutes it covers 500 meters, it covers 200 meters, and this covers only 100 meters. So in 5 minutes only their distances are different. So this is speed formula comes distance upon unit time. Okay, so we can say that the distance covered or traveled by a body in unit time is called the speed of the body, that is distance traveled upon time taken. The SI unit of speed is, children, meter per second. Distance in meter and time in seconds. And also we can measure it in kilometer per hour, and the relationship between the two is 1 meter per second is equal to 3.6 kilometer per hour. This line is very important. We are going to use it in our numericals, children. And similarly, one more fact is here, that 1 meter per second is equal to 100 centimeter per second. You can see the derivations also, that how they have derivated it, but no need to learn it, just learn the fact. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. You don't know how? Because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute has got 60 seconds. So 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. And zeros will cancel 0 and this will come 3.6 in the denominator. Okay. Now different objects has got different speed in meter per second and in kilometer per hour. But if you want to convert them, you have to use this fact. Okay. Now the numericals have started. Please, I have sent you the PDF. Go through the numericals yourself, and I have sent you the numericals also. So our chapter 1 is completely complete. Okay. Please ask your problems. Whenever you have got any problem, please, you can even call me personally. Okay, class? Okay.